What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Gala. We're starting to see a pullback with Bitcoin. We're seeing at 0.039 down about 10% in the last 24 hours. Market cap 1.45 billion, 24-hour volume 325 million. So if we look at the chart for Gala, I updated this in my Discord. Potentially, I think this could be the first 5 waves of this larger wave 3. And now you're pulling back in the wave 2. So what you want to see is a bounce in between 0.035 and 0.038. I don't think we're going to come all the way down and create a lower low. As I mentioned in the last video, that was one of the possibilities. I think it's more likely that maybe we put in an ABC correction, but we bounce from this pullback zone. If we start to lose 0.03581, that would increase the possibility of creating a lower low. But as of right now, I think there's a much more decent chance. Looking at this micro count, it is a 5-wave move. This peak did break the wave 3. So we could just be going through a correction, bounce from this pullback zone and see continuation. And on the weekly chart, retest, but still hold those weekly EMAs before continuation. If you see those weekly EMAs see a clear break, that would also be a signal that you're going to come lower. But personally, I don't think that's the higher probability. Let me quickly open up my Bitcoin analysis. Yeah, so Bitcoin put in that first 5 waves, and now you're seeing that pullback in a wave 2. You've already seen that drop. So look for bounce in between 93K and 97K. This was updated in my Discord, which you can get free access at the end of the video. So we may push up a bit, roll over, come down into this pullback zone, or if you see a straight bounce, but I think it'd be more likely that you come a little bit deeper and bounce in between 0.03581 and 0.0389. If you start to lose the 78.6, then that can raise the suspicion or raise the probability of creating that lower low, or at least breaking this low here. But I don't think that's a higher probability in my opinion, and that's all we can go off of is probabilities in the crypto market. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, we're in 4 trades right now. All you have to do is take the 30 seconds and sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, one of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. Take the 30 seconds. It's definitely worth it, and send me an email. I'll give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis for many projects. My exact crypto trade setups, we're in 4 trades right now. My Forex signals, and one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. Where's your trade signals, bro? Yeah, he's posting trade signals all day long. Completely free access, almost 3,000 members. You really can't beat it. And all you have to do is take that 30 seconds to sign up to BITUNIX and then send me an email. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.